Packaging Group is a company located in the province of Alicante. With more than 15 years experience in primary and secondary packaging. We design and manufacture packaging and boxing machinery for all industries. Our competitive advantage comes from the turnkey solutions we can offer our clients. We have a wide business network with highly qualified professionals who visit the client's premises and study their needs. Different departments will come into action once the client's needs have been identified. Our aim is to offer the highest quality in both machinery and service. Innovation is what defines us. At YM, we only use the latest technology to manufacture our equipment. We integrate the highest quality components in our machines. Our quality control department checks every part and component and verifies the correct state prior to sending it off to the manufacturing phase. We carry out the complete monitoring of the whole project with our clients, from the 3D design to the installation carried out by our engineers. They then train the customer so that they can make use of our machine in the most efficient way. Once the installation is finished, our SAT staff are in continuous contact with the client at all times to answer any questions or solve any issues they might encounter. Our machinery gives a high quality end bag, giving the product a longer shelf life and maintaining its integrity in a perfectly created pack. We ship our machinery worldwide, and our professional staff carries out the installation in the client's premises. Currently, we have more than 850 machines installed all over the world, and offices in 4 different countries. This gives us a huge client referral network worldwide. Our service quality, the technology and reliability of our machines allows us to compete with the biggest companies in this industry.